Shalom, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. In today's video, we'll be learning Hebrew through sentences. This method not only helps you expand your vocabulary, but also gives you a deeper understanding of the language structure, just like how children naturally learn to speak. So, without further ado, let's begin. To say, I'm going to the store, as a male, say, אני הולך לחנות. אני, I, הולך, am going, male, לחנות, to the store. And as a female, say, אני הולכת לחנות. To say, she is eating breakfast, say, היא אוכלת ארוחת בוקר. היא, she, אוכלת, is eating, female, ארוחת בוקר, breakfast. To ask, do you have money? When speaking to a male, say, יש לך כסף? יש, is there, לך, to you, male, כסף, money. And when speaking to a female, say, יש לך כסף? To say, he is reading a book. Say, הוא קורא ספר. הוא, he, קורא, is reading, male, ספר, a book. To say, we speak Hebrew, say, אנחנו מדברים עברית. אנחנו, we, מדברים, speak, plural males, עברית, Hebrew. To say, I am wearing a coat, as a male, say, אני לובש מעיל. אני, I, לובש, am wearing, singular male, מעיל, a coat. And as a female, say, אני לובשת מעיל. To ask, what is the date today? Ask, מה התאריך היום? מה, what, התאריך, the date, היום, today. To say, I live far from here, as a male, say, אני גר רחוק מכאן. אני, I, גר, live, singular male, רחוק, far, מכאן, from here. And as a female, say, אני גרה רחוק מכאן. To ask, do you want to learn Hebrew? When speaking to a male, say, אתה רוצה ללמוד עברית? אתה, you, singular male, רוצה, want, singular male, ללמוד, to learn, עברית, Hebrew. And when speaking to a female, say, את רוצה ללמוד עברית? את, you, singular female, רוצה, want, singular female, ללמוד, to learn, עברית, Hebrew. To say, she is cooking in the kitchen, say, היא מבשלת במטבח. he, she. מבשלת is cooking, singular female, במטבח, in the kitchen. To say, this is very easy, say, זה קל מאוד. זה, this, קל, easy, מאוד, very. To say, I love to read, as a male, say, אני אוהב לקרוא. אני, I, אוהב, love, singular male, לקרוא, to read. And as a female, say, אני אוהבת לקרוא. To ask, what is your name? When speaking to a male, say, איך קוראים לך? איך, how, קוראים, they call, לך, to you, singular male. And when speaking to a female, say, איך קוראים לך? To say, she is buying clothes, say, היא קונה בגדים. He, she, קונה is buying, singular female, בגדים, clothes. To say, you need to rest, when speaking to a male, say, אתה צריך לנוח. אתה, you, singular male, צריך, need, singular male, לנוח, to rest. And when speaking to a female, say, את צריכה לנוח. את, you, singular female, צריכה, need, singular female, לנוח, to rest. To say, he loves his job, say, הוא אוהב את העבודה שלו. הוא, he, אוהב, loves, singular male, את העבודה, the job, שלו, of his. To say, she is always happy, say, היא תמיד שמחה. He, she, תמיד, always, שמחה, happy, singular female. To say, this is very interesting, say, זה מעניין מאוד. זה, this, singular male, מעניין, interesting, singular male, מאוד, very. To say, I am drinking orange juice, as a male, say, אני שותה מיץ תפוזים. אני, I, שותה, am drinking, singular male, מיץ, juice, תפוזים, oranges. And as a female, say, אני שותה מיץ תפוזים. To say, she lives near the sea, say, היא גרה קרוב לים. היא, she, גרה, lives, singular female, קרוב, near or close, לים, to the sea. To say, I have a headache, say, יש לי כאב ראש. יש, there is, לי, to me, כאב, ache, ראש, head, and together, כאב ראש means headache. To say, we are watching a movie. Say, אנחנו צופים בסרט. אנחנו, we, צופים are watching בסרט, at a movie. To say, she is sleeping now. Say, היא ישנה עכשיו. He, she, ישנה is sleeping, singular female, עכשיו, now. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, press like and subscribe so you will be the first to know when I release more videos.